I was just listening to Maria Ressa inside, who was a Nobel Peace Prize winner in 2021, Filipino journalist, and she spoke about that we are in the midst of an information Armageddon, and that the companies seem to be able to behave with absolute impunity. She said that disinformation spreads 6 times faster than the truth, and that's the world we live in. And there are real issues there for the companies. They've been very, very slow in responding to correspondence and to get those posts down. And that has been my own experience as well in the past, that the companies put citizens through too many hurdles to get invented stories and untruths down. And she described it inside, and it reflected a lot of her contribution as the issue of the age of our time, and particularly undermining journalism in its most fundamental sense. It's caused a lot of hurt as well. I mean, individual citizens and families don't expect this sort of thing when they contest an election and participate in an election. And it shouldn't be taken as sort of, oh, that's just social media, let's get on with it. I mean, Jim Gavin is right in what he has said. I'm appalled by what is happening, and I do think, companies from time to time always complain about too much regulation. Well, I'm sorry, companies need to act.